Before moving on with the AI attacks, I want to first change all of the death animations into Ragdoll based physics. So for all these attack scriptable objects, they'll be using Ragdoll death. And instead of checking the box for every single one of them, I'm just going to go into the attack script. And if they're all going to use Ragdoll death, we don't need this variable anymore. We also don't need the death type. That's for the death animations. We also don't need the general body type. Here it is in the trigger detector. This is for figuring out which death animation should be played, so we don't need it anymore. Delete it. Also delete all of its variables and save. I'm going to go back to the attack script and save that too. And if I go back to Unity, we should have some error messages. Go in there and fix them. So we don't need get animator. Delete that. Okay, the list for general body parts. Make that go away. General body part, public variable, gone. And just delete those variables. So here we don't have to figure out whether we're going to be using Ragdoll death or not. We're going to use it 100% of the time. Save everything and go back to Unity. Looks like we still have some error messages. Fix those. Okay, everything is fixed. And let me make sure that the game is still running. Okay. We need to assign a force for the flying kick. I'll try 3000 for the forward force and another 3000 for the up force. And if I play, okay, we have the player flying backwards from being hit by the flying kick. Let me also try killing the enemy with it. Okay. Maybe a little more, 3500 for the upward force. Okay, I think I like that better. I'm going to stop the video here, and I'm going to go ahead and put in numbers for all of the attack scriptable objects. I'll have all the numbers in the description, and that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.